Hi, I am Mr. Know-It-All. It's so great to be here with you. I know everything about the world, and I can answer any of your questions and tell you about all the wonderful things around us. Today, I will tell you a secret story about the states of all objects. This is a pile of snow. This pile of snow is made up of many smaller snowflakes. If you take a closer look, you can see that each snowflake has many smaller parts. When I use this microscope to zoom into a snowflake and make it several times bigger, you will see that it consists of many tiny snow buddies. This glass of water is similar. Water is made up of countless tiny water buddies. Or the table you usually eat meals on. There are numerous wood buddies that you are normally not able to see with your eyes. Even inside this leaf, or any other objects around you. All of them are formed by many different tiny buddies. Are you surprised? Let's take a closer look at the water buddies. Tiny water buddies exist not only in liquid water or cold ice, but also in hot steam. In a fridge, the air is freezing, so tiny water buddies have to move closer and closer together to resist the coldness. Therefore, they create a solid block, which is called ice. As a result, when you move the ice out of the cold place, the water buddies are no longer cold, so they will separate and return to a normal liquid state. On the other hand, if water is boiled, water buddies can't stand the heat. As a result, they turn into steam to escape the heat. If you want to turn those angry friends back to liquid water, it is very easy. You only need to make the steam cold, and the water buddies will come back together. If the temperature goes even lower, like the freezing cold air in the fridge, liquid water will turn into ice because tiny water buddies get closer and closer and grab onto each other to stay together in the cold, cold air. Fascinating, isn't it? Now do you know the reason why water can exist in liquid and steam states? Ice? Exactly. It's thanks to the existence of the tiny water buddies in water. And don't forget that every object around you is also made up of many different tiny buddies.